Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 20 channels out of your set-top box. And if you're living in Singapore like me, you have most probably set up your set-top box to Singapore region and you would have about 7 channels as shown here. What happens to the other over-the-air channels which are transmitting to where we are? So there must be a way to receive those channels, right? Well, the good news is, yes, there is. Well, before I go on further, I would like to say that whatever I'm going to explain applies to this model of the set-top box, which is the NewMedia Solutions one over here, and this is how it looks like. If you have one of these models, then you're in luck, as I'm going to show you how to kind of jailbreak it so that you can have more than the 7 local channels here in Singapore. Well, the first thing you like to do is to hit that menu button. And once you're in the menu, you would like to go down to this briefcase, this one here. And when you're at the briefcase menu, you should see factory reset. Now go ahead and do the factory reset. It's going to ask you to input the password. The password would be 4 zeros. That works for mine and it should work for yours too if you are having the same unit in Singapore. After entering the 4 zeros, you'll be presented with this warning message. Well, do not be afraid to click on yes, because this will merely reset the unit to its factory default, which is fine because if you think about it, this set-top box is designed for not just a single country like Singapore, but for different parts of the world. So after you click yes, you'll be presented with another menu, which is the default welcome screen. I'm not going to do that now because I have already done it, and I do not want to mess up my program recordings which I have configured. Once you have factory resetted your unit, do not choose Singapore as the region, choose UK as the region, and with that it will do a scan, and after the scan you will be surprised to see that you have a lot more channels like I have now. Let me show you. Let me go to the channel. Now look at that. These are the channels I have. I have 20 channels in total. And that's all using a passive antenna, meaning I did not use the booster that comes with the digital setup box. I'm using a passive antenna with no booster. Just a DIY antenna like this one here, made with copper wires and a balloon. I'll post a diagram of the dimensions so that you can make such an antenna if you want. And it's a very powerful antenna even without a booster. As you can see, I have all these channels, and let me tune into a foreign channel to show you how good the reception is. Yep, see that? This is how clear the reception is. Definitely a lot cooler now to have different foreign channels. Here I'm tuning into ATV. See that? So here you go. This is how you jailbreak your set-top box so that you no longer have only the 7 local channels. Now you have 20 channels in total. Give a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Thank you for watching.